friends, how's it going? It's me, Betty Jean. I am so stoked. I just got the Pastel Pup palette from Menagerie in the mail, literally like an hour and a half ago, if that. I'm so stoked to be showing you this in this video today. I did not know I was going to be playing with this today, and I'm so thrilled. Menagerie did send this to me in PR, and I'm so grateful and thankful. Menagerie, just thank you. I appreciate you so much. I am so happy that you wanted to send this to me to try out. I'm glad that you like my work. Real quick, let's talk about the cover. It's like the cutest thing I've ever seen. I've seen some comments that some people think it's childish. I just think it's cute, and it fits very well in their line with their other palettes. I think this is adorable, and when she was first sneak peeking this palette, I had no clue she was going to go the direction of a pastel palette, and I'm so happy she did. Anyways, let's look at the inside. It's all mattes and one shimmer down here. I like that there's a black in here. I don't know if the white was totally necessary. I don't know how much I'm going to utilize it. I didn't even really use that white in this video. It actually doesn't look like a horrible white or anything. I don't know, I'm not good at swatching. I'm going to be doing an eye swatch video very soon. It should be the video after this one, if not the one after that. It'll be very soon. So we'll see how the white plays on the eyes. I do like that there's a black in here though. The black is perfect to be able to deepen these shades up, get a little more depth in there so it's not just super light. I did use the black a little bit today in this video. I don't know so much about the white, but we'll see as time goes on if I feel like I like it and I use it. But I don't always gravitate towards whites and palettes anyways. It's not even this palette in particular. White is just not a shade I really use. I love the arrangement of pastels in here. I like that there's like just different variations. Like there's the brighter green, the more sea foamy green, there's the periwinkle and the purple, there's like a corally pink and more of a standard pink. I like the variation. I think it's cute. Now this is not a review at all. This is a first impression, so keep that in mind. I've only used it this one time so far, but I will be doing my eye swatches and a 3LX1 palette very soon, and I'll be able to give you my final thoughts in the 3LX1 palette video. She also sent along the 3 new trifoils that she released with this palette. This one's called Bunny, this one's Chicky, and this one's Turtle Club, I think. Let's go ahead and swatch all of these trifoils, including the one in the palette. Oh, look how cute and Easter it looks. Ignore my hand, it has an eye pencil on it because I was filming an eye pencil video earlier. This shade is Bunny right here. I'm wearing that as my face highlight today. This one is Chicky. This one here is Turtle Club. I can't remember the names. And this one is Snowball from the palette itself. Just look at how stunning they are. They're so reflective. I love the shifts in them. I can't wait to play with these a lot. Obviously I'm wearing Snowball across my lid, you can tell that. And I wore the pink one on my cheeks today, but I'm excited to give the other ones some love. I'll be featuring those in my eye swatch video as well, and I'll probably try to play with those in my 3LX1 palette, if that's cool with you. Hopefully it is. Anyways, I've chatted long enough. Let's just get into the look and I will give you my thoughts so far at the end of the video. Hi, hello. Oh my gosh, I'm so excited to play with this. I just literally don't even know where to start. I did technically dip into this already. I took the liberty of using one of the shades as my blush today. Take a guess at which one I used. 100% this one. You know I love a good corally, peachy, pinky blush. And I think it looks very cute. And I actually used one of the single shadows as my highlight. I used Bunny. And I think it actually looks really cute too. Like it's not a full-on highlighter because it's not meant to be, it's an eyeshadow, but I still think it's really pretty. I'm down for it. I don't know what I want to do on my eyes. I literally want every single color on my eyes. I'm thinking I might do something like pink, purple, bluish, and then maybe with that across the lid. That's kind of what I'm thinking, but maybe I'll change my mind. I am going to go ahead and prime my eye with my Smashbox Lid Primer in Lights, as usual, and I'm not going to set it because I don't do that. I guess I'm going to go ahead and start with Cuddle, this really cute pink. I'm going to take this SL Miss Glam brush. It's the L34. It's a blending brush. Just going to pick some of that up. There is some kick up in the pan, but that is typical with Menagerie's shadows and not an issue for me. I don't really care. I'm just going to blend this through the front portion of my crease. What are you guys up to today? It's April 1st. I plan on having this video up tomorrow morning, the day after the day after I'm filming this. Potentially tonight, but my internet's been really bad lately and it takes literally hours to upload a video. So I don't know if it would even happen tonight by the time I get done filming and editing it, but that'll be up very soon. Well, you're already seeing this if you're watching. The shade is so pretty. I'm dipping in a few times, but I'm only dipping in a little bit at a time and just kind of building it up slowly because I wasn't really sure what these were going to be like, so I want to be careful. I think I want to take Belly Slide now. I'm going to take this Alter Ego number 3 brush and I'm going to really fluff this around in my like outer corner, down in my lower lash line, that kind of zone. Ooh, that color is what dreams are made of. I'm so excited. I literally just got this in the mail like 45 minutes ago. I ran upstairs, took my makeup off because I've already filmed today, and here we are. I'm so excited. Let me move my bang out of the way. I know that's so annoying. Trust me, they annoy me too. Look how pretty that shade is. I'm so excited about this palette. You don't even know. I'm going to take a little bit more of Cuddle again, that pink on that first brush, just to really re-intensify this front portion because I want it to be a mix of pink and purple through the crease. Look how pretty those marry together. Oh, I love that. This would be a cute look by itself, like if you just had pink and purple across the lid like this and in the crease. That would be so pretty. I'm going to take some blue now, Aquatic. I'm going to take this brush. It's a Spectrum B06, and I want to focus that on this front portion of my lower lash line, just to really get some blue up in there. It's so pretty. I feel like I don't even have words right now. So now I want to take Ice Cap just so you can kind of see like the level of dusting in these shadows. It's pretty standard for Menagerie in my opinion. I'm going to take Ice Cap now though. And I'm just taking this kind of like small medium brush. I'm going to use that to kind of place in my outer corner and maybe deepen up this purple a little bit. I don't know how much it's really going to deepen it, but we'll see. There is also a black in the palette for deepening purposes. That's a really pretty periwinkle. Oh, that's so cute. Gonna take some more of Belly Slide, that purple from before, just to fluff some more out here. And then taking some more pink. Just kind of going back and forth with everything, making sure everything is what I want it to be. I think I might take some black. I'm gonna take Whisker right there, the only black in the palette. I'm gonna take this pencil brush, it's from BH Cosmetics. I'm just gonna tap just a little bit. Ooh, that's a pigmented black. But I just want this in the very outer portion of my eye just to add depth. I'm going to pop a tiny bit of this in the outer portion of my lower lash line as well for that same reason. I'm going to take that Periwinkle Ice Cap again on that same Spectrum brush as before. And I'm not really dragging this up far at all. I'm really just focusing it kind of right where that black is, just to help kind of fluff it out. And I just went in with a very small amount of that black because I didn't really want it to look like black. I just wanted it to be defined-ish. I don't know, I didn't have like a huge plan going into this look. Figured I would just see how it goes. That's what I usually do with my first impressions. I just kind of roll with it. It's fun. Gonna take a little more Belly Slide again, that first purple, and a little more pink just to make sure there's some pink up in there. Take a little more blue too, just to be safe. Oh, it's so pretty. I love this mix of colors. Ooh, that's good. Okay, we're gonna do a half cut crease. I know I do them all the time, but I just like them, okay? And the way I do it is really easy. NYX glitter primer and a flat brush. This one specifically is from Alamar Cosmetics. Going to smear this glitter primer across my lid and then up into my crease and just kind of really taking it right. Well, for me, I just kind of follow my eyeball shape, which is right above my natural crease. And then using that exact same brush on the sticky side, I'm going to dip into Snowball, which I already jammed my finger into, of course. I'm excited to see what this shade looks like because I used that pink one on my lid, or on my face, so let's see what Snowball looks like. Ooh, I'm already loving it. I'm already loving it. This shade's cool because she made it with the intention of it being like a topper, but you can also use it standalone, of course. Oh, it's so pretty. I'm actually just going to go right in with my finger just to really pack it on really quick, and then I'll define it with my brush in a minute. Wow, that shade is so intense and pretty. Gonna take one of my smaller brushes just to fluff in this outer corner so that it merges from shimmer into matte nicely. Look how stunning that color is. I feel so Arctic in this look. Let's use that pink one that I used on my face in my inner corner. I got the sticky paper everywhere. It's called Bunny, just in case I didn't say it before. I think I did, but just in case. Maybe you forgot. Who knows? Let's pop that in my inner corner. Ooh, it's so cute. I'm gonna go in with my finger. Why not? I have short nails, so I might as well take advantage of it. Oh, look how cute, look how cute, look how cute. Guys, I like this a lot. That is so pretty. I guess I'm gonna recreate it on the other eye, finish up my makeup details, and then I'll be back for some more chatting. Hello, I am back. This is my final look, my final form. The eye pencil I decided to go with is Boots from Colourpop. I just wanted to kind of play with that little pop of pink. It's not super obvious, but I think it's cute together. Lashes are Rouge and Rogue Lady Killer, and on my lips, I had to go with Bloom. I just had to. Blue purple sheer gloss. It just goes perfect with this look. Menagerie actually also sent me some liquid lipsticks that I don't own yet, but I just didn't feel like any of these totally fit with the look, but I definitely want to play with those soon. They're beautiful colors. I might film a lip swatch video for IGTV soon because I have quite a few Menagerie lipsticks. Let me know if you'd want to see that. So far, I'm really into these shadows. They seem to perform like regular Menagerie shadows. Of course, they are pastel, so they do require like a little bit of building up to get like crazy intensity, but they're not like super sheer pastels either. I feel like they have enough vibrancy and saturation to where you don't have to work too hard to get like this level of pigmentation. I don't know. They seem like pretty solid pastels so far. I will be doing a video in the future, like a battle of the pastel palettes, where I chat about like all my pastel palettes and kind of figure out like, I don't know, maybe which one's my favorite, which ones have dupes, things like that. But so far I'm really liking this one. I like the layout, everything performed pretty well. I'm really interested in these like trifoils that she included. I think it's a cool concept, and a lot of brands are doing that now, but I just don't really own many, so it's really exciting for me. But anyways, yeah, this is my look. What do you think? Do you like my look? I think it's very pretty. Are you guys getting this palette in the mail? Did you order it? Do you want to order it when it restocks? I'm pretty sure this is a permanent palette. I don't think it's limited edition. I hope I'm not wrong about that. I would love to hear your thoughts all about the palette though. I'm really excited so far. I can't wait to keep filming with it. If you made it to the end of this video, leave me some kind of winter emoji, because I'm feeling very Arctic with this. Like, leave me a snowflake or a snowman or something like that. Even though we're in the spring, I just feel very Arctic with this palette and this look specifically. If you liked it, give it a thumbs up. If you're not already, please hop over to my Instagram. It's BeautBean. Follow me there. I post every single day. And don't forget to subscribe. I'm posting most days here as well. Thank you so much for watching, and I will catch you in the next one. Okay, bye.